Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. The NASDAQ futures reached new highs today. So let's talk about what happened this morning. After CPI, which was here, it just pushed higher, then kind of chilled out for a while, pushed higher again, all the way really until the opening candle. Opening candle was a little bit indecisive. There's a lot of wick on that candle. I just basically took an open range breakout, made a little bit of money here. But for those of you that were like, shoot, I missed it. What do I do next? This is a really, really nice pullback, and there's another really great candle after that, and I'll tell you why. So, okay, red candle, cool, pullback. We also have a fractal on this one. This is just a little spinning top. Okay, so what do we know about fractals? They're often going to be reversals. So if we pull back, I mean, just ever so slightly, that was not a very strong pullback at all. Pull back ever so slightly. But let's take a look if that is actually a fib retracement, because it's really darn close just by eyeballing it. Okay, so it did it perfectly. We went from here, where it started, up to here, where it stopped, pulled back just past that 50% line, and then cruised higher. So this is why fibs are so fun. But even if you weren't looking at that, just in that it was a fractal, we often know that that's going to push higher. Okay, it did that. Cool. Then we get this beautiful dragonfly doji. Dragonfly dojis are a bullish indication because let's think about what that means. The price came all the way back down, and then within that 2 minutes worked itself all the way back up. So yeah, it did have another, like, you could maybe call that a pullback, but it just went higher from that point forward. So even if you missed the open range breakout, there were still a couple different, like, very clear indications of how you could have gotten in on the action. And then of course there were more later as well, but those two happened pretty quickly. For those of you that were in the live trading room, you saw what I did in terms of my P&L. I didn't do anything after our time together. So there it is on the screen for you. It's exactly what it was earlier today. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.